Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Conversation Lessons by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn different names of fruits in Dutch. Fruits are called vruchten in Dutch. Vruchten. Vruchten. N is soft, it's vruchten. Vruchten. Let's start our lesson. Pear is called pear. Pear. R with a trill. Pear. Pear. Melon is called meloen. 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 Apricot. Abricus. 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 Plum is called prom. 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 Mango is called mango. 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 Fruit, fruit. Fruit is called fruit, and fruits are called vruchten. Fruit. Banana. Banan. 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 Grapes. Druiven. 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 Tangerine is called mandarin. Mandarin. INGR pronounced as Y. Mandarin. Mandarin. Pineapple is called ananas. 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 Orange. Orania. 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 So guys and girls, let's start our practice session. I will name the fruits in English and I would expect you to name them in Dutch. Fruit. 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 R is with the trill. It's fruit. Pear. Pear. Nice. Melon. Meloen. Good. Apricot. Abricus. Good. Plum. Prom. Prom. Mango. Yeah, mango. Banana. Yes, banan. Grapes. Nice. Druiven. 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 Tangerine. Mandarin. Mandarin. Pineapple. Good. Ananas. Orange. Orania. Orania. And orange is also the Dutch national color. So now let's try one more time. I will only speak in Dutch now. Les 8. Vruchten. Fruit. Pear. Meloen. Abricos. Prom. Mango. Banan, Draufen, Mandarin, Ananas, Orania. So guys and girls, if you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit ifactner.com. If you liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag, doei.